RCD, wait for it to start up. Okay, so we've done it is a type A. So see where it's got B there?
Yep.
We need to change it over to a type A.
Right.
30 milliamps.
Yep.
Okay, and we've got it on auto for this exercise, right?
Right.
First thing I'm going to do is what we call function test.
Yep.
Right, function test done. So switch on. Now, because we dead tested the ring final, and it's so far the results were good and satisfactory, we'll switch on. Now we've got voltage.
238 volts.
238 volts. So what I'm going to do is press to test. So first of all, it's going to do the half times test. Right, and it's not tripped on the 0, and it's not tripped, hopefully, on the 180. Perfect. Okay.
Yep.
Now it's going to do times 1. It's tripped in 59.8. Reset. It's doing a 180 check. 60.1. Reset. Now with this particular model, it does the times 2, but we don't need to worry about that. All right. I'm just going to go through the motions. All right. Now it's going to do the times 5. Reset. They're allowed 29.0.
We have the brown one, but the tin is fine.
28.9. All right.
Yep.
Now also it gives us the milliamp tripping as well. So we get quite a lot of it. This trips at 23.2 milliamps on that cycle, not the 30 that is
Capable.
capable of, and 23.2 milliamps on that side.
So that's below 30 milliamp. Nice.
They always are. They never are 30 milliamps, and that's it.
All right, go back through the first one.
Now we've got to record the results.
Yes.
First of all,
What I'm
function
saying, you
test.
Start.
right, it passed.
This is blue, so it will be.
Which one we won on a workshop? Or? Yeah.
This one here.
Function test.
So function test, the
Pass.
test button works, so we give that a tick, right? Did it trip out at half times?
No.
So that was fine at 0. And it
Put
did
0 or tick?
just a tick, right? And 180, right, it didn't trip out, it's a tick. Now the results I'm after is the times 1.
5.
So at 0, it tripped out at 59.8 milliseconds. So we write that figure in.
5.9, yeah?
59.8.
0.2, 0.291.
Right? And at 180, it tripped out at 60.1. Now this unit will give us 2 times, but we're not interested in 2 times. We want the 5 times for additional protection.
Yes.
And there's your results for 0, 29 milliseconds, and 180, 28.9 milliseconds.
To find out from.
And that then completes
Right. So
your
that's
live
short
testing.
circuit, So.